Hello viewers, moving on to the next question in this series of GATE 2025 electrical installation subject electromagnetic fields. This question is question number 15, the master question of GATE 2025 electrical installation subject electromagnetic fields of 2 marks MCQ type, and it is based on parallel spherical capacitors, basically cylindrical capacitors, sorry. And the question goes like: an air-filled cylindrical capacitor of capacitance C naught of length L with A and B as its inner and outer radii respectively consists of two coaxial conducting surfaces. Its cross-sectional view is shown in figure 1. In order to increase the capacitance, a dielectric material of relative permittivity epsilon r is inserted inside 50% of the angular region as shown in figure 2. The value of epsilon r for which the capacitance of the capacitor in figure 2 becomes 5 C naught. Figure 1. This is figure. Okay, quite clear the diagram on the board, whiteboard. So basically, it's two cylindrical capacitors are given. The configuration is shown. Right. Let's move to solution to this question. So in the first case, the capacitance is given by the capacitance, as we all know, is a function of this area. Okay, function of epsilon A by D for the parallel plate capacitors, but in the cylindrical capacitors, it is basically what? It is a function of the area, directly proportional to the area, right? So area, this area, the annular area. Okay. In the first case, what is C naught? C naught is the capacitance between these two spherical capacitor shells. It forms a capacitance, na? This capacitance. C naught, what is it? 2 pi epsilon naught let's not calculate C naught. We can calculate C naught also, but it is not required. जरूरत नहीं है. So C naught, what you can say is directly proportional to this area. Let's say this area is A. And epsilon naught, because epsilon is the permittivity of free space that is forming the capacitance. Okay. If this area is entered is A, in the second figure, what we have? This is A by 2, this is A by 2. This is again radius A, this is B. Okay, now in this time we have these two capacitors are in parallel, as you can see. Voltage across them is same, so these are in parallel. This part and this part. This part and this part in parallel. So the equivalent capacitance becomes what? Let's say C. It becomes, for this part it is epsilon naught. The permittivity is epsilon naught. This space is there. So epsilon naught is proportional to epsilon naught A by 2 plus epsilon naught epsilon r for this part. The permittivity is epsilon naught into A by 2. Let's say there is some constant of proportionality K. You can find it out, but not required. Again, यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है. Here it becomes K by 2 A into epsilon naught into epsilon naught plus 1. So it is nicely epsilon naught राइट, आ रहा है कि नहीं? ठीक है, C naught. Now if you take the ratio of C by C naught, what it should be equal to 5 C naught. It is 5. It is required. Right? You take the ratio, K gets cancelled. Let's take the ratio. K by 2 into epsilon naught into sigma naught plus 1. That is the value of C. Expression of C. Expression of C naught is K times epsilon naught A. This should be equal to 5. Epsilon cancels, K cancels, A cancels. So what we are left with? क्या बचा? Epsilon naught plus 1 by 2 equal to 5. So epsilon naught plus 1 equal to 10. ठीक है? We are left with epsilon r equal to 9. So for relative permittivity of 9, if epsilon equal to 9, the capacitance of this capacitor after inserting the dielectric material will be 5 C naught. So correct answer for this question is 9. That is option C. I hope the solution is clear. I have explained the detailed steps and the approach to solve this question, starting from the very basics of finding the capacitance for any cylindrical capacitor. First air filled and then filled with dielectric to increase the capacitance. To obtain the answer is option C 9. Hope the solution is clear and comprehensible. If you still have any doubts or queries for this simple solution, please feel free to ask in the comments. And that's all for the solution to this question. Thank you.